Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of your Hulu app. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about the application of Hulu app and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and then you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.